Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Subramanian. Any recipes with potatoes are definitely a delight, and today I'm going to show you guys a wonderful potato recipe. This is masala fried potatoes. Now it's not like any other potato fry that you have tried. This is very different and very tasty. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the potato fry, first I'm going to cut the potatoes. For this, peel off the skin. Cut the potato. So you can see, just cut it into like maybe half centimeter in thickness. You don't want it too thin, so the slices have to be a bit thick. Once you've cut the potato slices, just place them in water, otherwise they can turn brown very quickly. So the next, I'm going to boil these potatoes. Next, to cook the potato slices, to a pot add enough water. To the water add about half teaspoon of salt. Transfer the potato slices to the pot. Cook them till they are completely done. After 15 minutes, turn off the stove. The potato slices are cooked. Strain them and keep it aside. Now I'm going to make a masala mix for the potato slices. For this, take 1 whole teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, the juice of half lemon. To this, add all the spice powder, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons chilli powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 tablespoons besan, that is gram flour, and 1 tablespoon rice flour. Now if you don't have rice flour, you can also use corn flour. I'm adding the besan, that is gram flour, and the rice flour to give it a nice coating. Now mix everything together. I'm going to add a little water, mix it, make sure you get a nice masala paste consistency. So since we've added the gram flour and the rice flour, so it's going to be absorbing all the water. So you can see the masala paste is nice and smooth. So you don't want it too thick and dry, it should be nice and creamy and flowy like this. So the first batch I mixed was not sufficient, so I've mixed extra now. So I've mixed more of the masala paste. Depending on the quantity of potato slices you have, you can mix the masala paste using the same proportions. The quantity of ingredients you can adjust accordingly. After dipping the potato slices in the masala, let it sit for about 5 minutes before frying them. We're going to shallow fry them. For this, take a pan, add a little oil. Gently flip the potatoes to the other side. See, it's got a lovely golden brown color to it. So for the final touch, I'm just going to fry a few curry leaves. Just garnish the potatoes with the fried curry leaves. So there you go. Here are these delicious masala fried potatoes. Now you can see from the recipe that it's made very differently and it's very unusual from the regular potato fries that you've had. It's got a lovely crunchy and crispy exterior with a nice soft interior. So do try this recipe, share it with your family and friends and post your comments and feedback.